On March 26th of 2020, we all heard the announcement of a lockdown being imposed in Bangladesh, which would mean that we were forced to stay in our homes without any idea as to when it would come to an end. But for one group of people, this announcement sounded like a prison sentence with no date for release. These group of people are the women in our society who live in abusive households and are the victims of domestic abuse. Today, we as Team Undisputed are here to talk to you about these group of people. According to a report by Action Aid Bangladesh, sexual and domestic violence has increased tenfold with a 345% increase in cases of violence against women. The question that comes to our mind is why? We have conducted a survey of 23 women that include women from lower class, middle class, and upper middle class with the help of We Can Bangladesh, an organization working to prevent domestic violence.
Their insights, along with some data from We Can Bangladesh, gave us the following numbers. Around 2 out of 3 women who are facing domestic violence find it shameful to admit this because they fear societal judgment. 1 in 4 women fear further physical harm and does not speak up. 1 in 7 women stay in an abusive household because they are economically dependent on their abusive partners.
It is time to help these women who have been locked up in prisons within their own homes during COVID. To accomplish this, we have selected the brand Sunsilk since it is a brand that empowers women. The brand purpose of Sunsilk is to open up opportunities for girls everywhere. Hence, it is Sunsilk that will help these women break the shackles of domestic violence. Our target group caters to women from age 16 to 45, ranging from lower class, middle class to upper middle class. These are the women who actively use Sunsilk. Hence, our 3 big ideas are centered towards one major campaign message, which is নীরবতা ভেঙে খুলে দাও সম্ভাবনার দুয়ার. We chose this campaign message because it conveys the idea that we are breaking the silence around domestic violence and opening up countless opportunities for these women, which is what Sunsilk as a brand is working towards.
Our first big idea is targeted towards generating awareness. We'll do this firstly through an online and offline advertisement where we show how hair should be treated. This video will spread the message that domestic violence needs to stop. Secondly, we will partner with foundations working with domestic violence to collect anonymous stories of victims. We'll select 5 of these stories to air a social message on TV titled Sunsilk Khola Chithi. The social message will be aired on November 25th, which is International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women. On this day, 5 prominent TV channels of Bangladesh will air this video where 5 female spokespersons will talk about the stories of women in Bangladesh who experience domestic violence.
Our second big idea is to create safe spaces for domestic abuse victims to speak up. We are going to launch a limited edition Sunsilk sachet, and the top part of this sachet can be worn as a badge after it is torn off. Everyone who is wearing the badge will do it to signify that it is safe to approach them and talk to them about domestic violence. This caters to the victim's fear of shame and judgment. Adding to that, we will identify safe places where victims can go for shelter and talk if needed. We have spoken with a few community partners who have asserted to us that they would want to help the domestic abuse victims. We will provide a sticker on the packaging of all Sunsilk bottles, which are the ones that parlors and salons usually use. And these community parlors and salons will use the stickers on their front doors to signify that they are willing to listen to the domestic abuse victims and provide shelter to them if needed.
Our third big idea is that we want to empower women by providing them with economic opportunities by rediscovering themselves. We will open a Sunsilk Academy, Rediscover Yourself, in collaboration with the ICT Ministry of Bangladesh. The academy will help women gain the necessary skills for freelancing, while the ICT Ministry will help us with the equipment necessary. Bangladesh has already become the 2nd largest supplier of freelancers. This is one of the sectors where women can work on even with a low skill level and from their homes. The question now is, will the ICT Ministry collaborate? They will collaborate with us because they have undertaken a project called Accelerating Digital Inclusion for Girls and Women, under which they have been helping women around Bangladesh with all the infrastructures necessary through Sheikh Russell Digital Labs, which are present in almost every single district of the country. We know eradicating domestic violence is a long and hard journey, but we need to take a powerful stand in the post-COVID era, and we think Sunsilk can start that journey and open up endless possibilities for women who consider their homes prisons.